Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to pay through gift cards on AliExpress. Now, here's how to pay using gift cards on AliExpress. The first thing you need to do is to launch your browser, any browser of your choice, and go to the AliExpress website at aliexpress.com. Once again to the website, click on the account icon at the top right corner of the screen and log in using your relevant account credentials. Now, once you're logged in, you need to add items to your cart. So browse the site and add the items you want to purchase to your shopping site. So let's say I want to get this brand B acrylic sport. And I selected this. I'm going to add to my picks. Okay. So I'm just going to click on it. So there is no option for me to check out there. I need to cancel out something. Okay, I need to cancel out something from my category. So I'm heading over to main clothing. I can use a filter that I want to cancel. That's the free shipping filter. Okay, so that's already been canceled. So I'm going to select any of those products again. Any product. So just use any product of your choice. I'm just using it for the sake of this tutorial. And I'm going to add to cart. So I'm clicking on add to cart to add this to my cart. Okay, it's no longer available. Okay. That is not available. I'm going to find something else that is available. Okay, so you can go ahead and click on add to cart or buy now, but let me just proceed to buy now. But if you click on add to cart, just click on add to cart and click on view cart, and from your view cart you can just go ahead and buy if you want to buy. So some items are not available. Please edit your order. Okay, that order is also not available. Okay, so which order is pretty much available? So it seems like all the orders are not available. And check this. So buy now. Okay. So here you go. Now in this checkout page, which we currently have here, we're supposed to have found an option for adding gift cards, right? But it doesn't feel like there is a direct order or there's a direct prompt that allows you to just add gift cards. So here's another method that we have to use. Head over to the payments methods category and click on add a new card. And this add a new card, go over here and add your gift card. So you need to add the card number for your gift card, the card holder name for your gift card, the that's the month, the year, and the CVV for your gift card. And click on save and confirm. So once you click on save and confirm, that's going to be it. Head over to place order, and whatever amount is going to whatever amount that you need to buy the product will be deducted from your gift card balance. So that's pretty much it. Now, by following the steps, you can successfully pay for your purchases on AliExpress using gift card. So go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.